Ronald Reagan's presidency ushered in significant tax reforms and a conservative agenda that reshaped American politics for years to come, shifting emphasis away from liberal programs. His administration's policies ignited extensive debates regarding economic recovery and the growing federal debt. In the backdrop of these domestic changes, the 1980s also unfolded critical global events such as heightened Cold War tensions and domestic economic transformations, which influenced international relations. These occurrences solidified Reagan's prominent legacy in both domestic and foreign policy. A monumental achievement for NASA, the launch of the Space Shuttle Columbia in 1981 marked the dawn of a new era in space exploration. This mission showcased America's unwavering commitment to technological advancement and exploration. Simultaneously, MTV, which debuted in 1981, rapidly evolved into a cultural sensation by delivering music videos and innovative programming that resonated with viewers. This development solidified cable television's status as a dominant force in the entertainment industry. MTV's impact is reflected in its legacy of hit shows like Daria and Beavis and Butthead, which transcended their time to become cult classics, exemplifying the channel's early dedication to unique animated content tailored for youth audiences. As the network transitioned to reality television in the 2000s, it successfully engaged a younger audience while influencing the birth of numerous sister channels, thereby diversifying the entertainment landscape. In a tragic turn of events, a shooting resulted in numerous injuries, among them James Brady, who suffered debilitating brain damage and eventually succumbed to complications linked to the attack. Brady's injury underscored the inherent risks faced by public servants. Following the incident, Hinckley was declared not guilty by reason of insanity, leading to his commitment to a psychiatric facility rather than prison, igniting discussions about mental health and the implications of criminal responsibility. The shooting spurred urgent conversations surrounding gun violence and the safety of public officials, highlighting the crucial need for enhanced security measures for political leaders across the United States. The objectives of the Challenger mission encompassed deploying a satellite and executing the Teacher in Space program, which captured significant media attention. Krista McAuliffe, the selected teacher, emerged as a powerful symbol of educational outreach in space. However, the investigation into the disaster exposed critical flaws in NASA's safety decision-making and oversight processes. This prompted a 32-month suspension of the shuttle program as new protocols were meticulously established. In response to the catastrophe, NASA implemented pivotal changes, including the formation of an office specifically focused on safety and quality assurance. Furthermore, the Orbiter Endeavour was introduced, equipped with enhanced safety measures for future missions. The Iran-Contra affair emerged as a significant scandal during Ronald Reagan's presidency, involving covert arms sales to Iran intended to finance Nicaraguan rebels. This controversy raised profound ethical and legal questions regarding government conduct. In 1987, the stock market crash, known as Black Monday, triggered substantial global financial losses, breeding fears of economic instability and recession. A multitude of factors contributed to this abrupt decline. Moreover, the Liu Accord, signed by major industrial nations to stabilize international money markets, ultimately failed to restore confidence, resulting in further economic upheaval. The effectiveness of government intervention during this crisis faced intense scrutiny. In the realm of technology, Windows 1.0 emerged as a product of Microsoft's development, inspired by a similar program conceived in 1982, marking significant advancements in user interface design. The personal computer revolution took root in the 1970s with the advent of microprocessors, transforming computers into affordable and accessible tools for individual users and altering the landscape of computing permanently. The phrase personal computer has a contested origin, with various key figures and advertisements credited for popularizing it in the early 1970s, heralding a pivotal shift in computing culture.